What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a very good look at Tesla. If you watched my previous video on Tesla, nothing too serious. I made it known to us that first things foremost, from the weekly time frame, it was obvious that Tesla has broken out and we have retested. So you could see it clearly right here that based on what I said, you could see that Tesla, having to retest this major resistance right here. Let me, redo this. You can see right here that Tesla retested this level. It retested this level. It broke out, got rejected, retested this level right here, broke out again. Had to drop all the way down to retest this level right here. And you could see ever since all these retests right here, Tesla has definitely been doing well. It has been doing well. From the bounces we've been getting, everything from Tesla has been on point. Now, right now, I can say what I can take from here, apart from the fact that we bounced off from this major level right here as support. You could see right here that Tesla dropped all the way down to 338, and it recovered, and you could see we've been respecting this trend line for a while. So I would say for now, we've broken above this major resistance, which I predicted from my previous video. There is every chance for Tesla to break above $415. So we've broken above $415. Now, the question right now is there any possibility for Tesla to, drop all the way down to $415, find support before rallying all the way to our next major resistance? Because the next major resistance right now for Tesla is $607. Is there any possibility for us to see Tesla, riding all the way to $600 plus? So I think this is definitely the question we need to ask ourselves, or we're probably going to get a crash before in the whole stock market, the S&P 500, before we could rally all the way to $600. So I think that is the real question we should be asking ourselves right now. And looking at the whole news right here, based on the headline right here, I can see, according to Bloomberg on Yahoo Finance, that the space stock race comes to Europe as one UK fund quadruples. So we could see right here that shares in British SpaceX supplier Filtronic PLC are up 232% in a year, while German satellite maker OHB SE has gained 547%. Another standout winner has been Seraphim Space Investment Trust PLC, whose stocks trade at a whopping 74% premium to its last reported net asset value after quadrupling in price. So maybe space stocks are definitely one of those niche, or those categories of stock where people are probably pivoting into in the future. So I think this is definitely something we should look into. Yes, I think this is maybe something we could all look into regardless of the whole situation of things. And looking at the news right here, I can also see that the London-based fund just raised $137 million, which is equivalent to $185 million to expand its portfolio of investments in mainly unlisted firms, the largest of which is Finnish satellite startup ISI. Reddit and X are buzzing about its meme stocks style rally, which bears comparison with surging US investment firms such as Procure Space ETF. The shares extended their gains on Thursday, raising as much as 4.5% and heading for a record close. So it's trading on a lot of hype at the moment, said Hagbagate, Chief Executive Officer of Kalanish Capital, comparing Seraphim's extraordinary run to the frenzy that surrounded Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust and its holding in Tesla Incorporation in the early 2020s. A lot of hype momentum and lots of retail involvement. What could possibly go wrong? So right now, I think everything right now are just evidence that, okay, there is a high possibility that Tesla, which is also into the SpaceX and all whatnot, we could definitely get a massive rally, because Tesla is, in one way or another, correlated with the SpaceX. And if space is definitely something, space industry is definitely something that is booming, that have been outperforming massively major stocks or major category stocks in the last 365 days, on the last 12 months, then there is every possible chance that Tesla will also rally the moment SpaceX also comes into the limelight, whereby people hold it. So I think this is just definitely it for now. Nothing too serious about the market. I'll definitely be here to keep us up to date. If you do enjoy this analysis, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.